Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine clips in CapCut PC step by step. Combining clips lets you join multiple videos into one seamless video. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then, import the video clips you want to combine. Next, drag all the clips to the timeline. Place each clip one after another in the order you want. If there are any gaps between the clips, drag them together until they touch. You can also rearrange the clips by dragging them to a different position on the timeline. Once you're happy with the order, play the video to preview the combined clips. And that's it. You've successfully combined clips in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.